In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a post link on Instagram. So first, we need to go on Instagram and then find whatever post you want to take the link from. Then you just click on the arrow and you click on copy link. Now that we have clicked on copy link, we have copied the link to this exact specific video. If I go and try to open it up, as you can see, it has opened up that video. And you can do this for every post and everything basically on Instagram. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.